Good morning, Flutophones. Hi guys. I just want to let you know that you did, from what I've seen so far, the people that uploaded videos or emailed me their videos did a really nice job playing the pieces. Some of you are doing too much stuff and some of you are not doing enough, so I kind of wanted to make our lesson this week or today about improving some of those things. So first, let's talk about what you need to show me on the video, because some of you are putting in way too much stuff. Also, I need the videos kind of short because I'm going to be seeing a lot of performances, and it's easier for me if they're kind of like 30 seconds or a minute. But what you need to do is you just need to record the examples that I've said at the end of the lesson outline or the lesson schedule and agenda. So for example, this week you only need to play on the flute 3 examples. You're playing number 15, 16, and 18 this time. That's it. Some people are showing me that they're that they're going, B, 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 sh, A, and they're showing me all the other practice stuff. You don't need to show me that. That's just there for you to practice along with, so that you get better at doing the video by itself. So when you're doing your videos that you're going to show me, if you want, you can go along with the guitar video, and that might help you to stay in tempo with me, or just do it all by yourself. But you don't have to show me the practice parts. That's fine. Anyway, what I'm noticing about the videos that I've seen so far is that some of you are getting into some of the same habits as other students too, which is a lot of us are kind of hesitating and pausing and kind of stopping for a second to kind of make sure where we are. And what we need to do when we play music is we need to go straight through. It's not that we're ignoring a mistake, that's not what I mean, but we try to recover from our mistakes without pausing, because that's what makes it sound like music, when it keeps on going and doesn't really stop. So I made a checklist for us to check out, and I attached that to the assignment today. So basically all it's saying is, are you making an even count in your mind? So you want to count going in your head as you're playing, just like a drummer that you might hear on a song on the radio, right? And it always stays even to keep our notes in order. And then I want to make sure that your rhythms get the correct counts. Do your quarters get 1 count? Quarter, 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 like that. Do your halves get 2 counts? Half, half. Do your whole notes get 4 counts? Whole, whoa, whoa, whoa. So I want you to think about that. And I know you've been thinking about that for your performance. But also, I'm hearing a lot of really short notes, like B, 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 sh, A, A, sh. And while there's a place for that, for now, I want your notes to be long, to be full, like B, 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 A, B. I want them to be long and full. I mean, not longer than their number of counts, but full, right? So here's a quarter. Quarter, 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 quarter. I'm making it last for each beat. Here's halves. Half, half. And I don't start the next half note until the first one's all the way over, right? I don't end that one until the next beat is right about there. I almost want those half notes to kind of touch in the middle. Ho, ho, right? Don't start the next one until the end. Don't finish the first one until that next one is almost there. And the rest is pretty much what you're already doing. Are you playing the correct pitches? Making sure that your fingers are in the right place. And most people did a really good job with that. Does it sound like a song? And there's a couple of things on here. Does it sound like a song? And what I mean by that is, music always has that steady pitch, that steady beat rhythm going behind it, right? So I want to make sure that always happens and that the notes flow together. If you're not sure if it sounds like a song, or if your answer is no, it doesn't really sound like a song, I want you to slow down. Go very slow. Think about the rhythms that you're having in the paper, and try not to leave any pauses. Right, so if you're playing Mary Had a Little Lamb and it was really too hard this fast, right, your fingers are getting all tied up, then go really slow. Mary, right? B, A, G, A, B, B, B. And that's not the example for this week, but if you were doing that one, that's what I would hope that you'd do. So you want to take it slow. You want to make the notes go long. The slower you take it, the longer you have to think about how to play that note. If you're not sure how to play B right away, or if it takes a second to remember, then going slow will give you an extra little second or so to remember how to do it. And that happens all the time. Even though you know how to play B is 1 and A is 2 and G is 3 and all that stuff, sometimes when we're doing it, it's like, oh, I forgot for just a second. And in music, that second goes by just so fast. So slow it way down. Try to make it even. Keep it easy. Go slow. Okay, not too slow, because then it doesn't start. It starts like a feeling not like music either. And what else did I want to tell with you guys? Oh, okay. So after the checklist. Well, first, of course, you're going to do all the, the warm-up videos, the copycats, and all that stuff. And then you're going to read that checklist, and then, you're going to read my lesson outline and stuff, and you probably already read that. And watch this video, of course. Then you're going to do the practice. Now, the practice, if you need to do the, quarter, 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 right? If you need to do all that, then do that. If you don't need to, then don't worry about it. If you can just play it, just go ahead and play it. Otherwise, sing and clap the rhythm names. Sing and clap the letter names, sing and clap the number names. But again, if you don't need to, then just go through it. But keep your tempo slow, keep your speed slow. And I really want you to pay a lot of attention to how long those notes last. Make one note flow into the next one, like B, A, G, A, B, 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 if that was our song. Instead of B, A, G, A, B, that's too short. We want them long and flowing. We want to make them full. Okay, and that's really what I want you to pay attention to when you're practicing. Now again, for the recording, just record your performance after you're done practicing. Don't do it today. Wait a few days. Practice for a few days. Then, when you're more comfortable with it, when you're more confident with it, then you can make a recording. And for this week, you're only doing, you're practicing all of page 9, 10, and 11, but you're only going to submit on video for me number 15, Bad News Bears, number 16, High Dive, number 18, Apple for the Teacher. By the way, number 18 has a new note for some of you. I think everybody's done it before, but that's C, and our C has 2 thumbs, so it's no fingers on top, just your thumb rest and your thumb hole in the back. So make sure you have your thumb rest there, or else the flute will fall out of your mouth. So you have your thumb hole in the back, and then if you're playing B, then you put another finger in A, and then 2 fingers, and then G, 3 fingers. But anyway, C has just 2 thumbs. Anyway, after you've done that, post the videos up to Google Classroom. If you can't do that, you can always email me at wbrooks@schools.nyc.gov. I can't wait to hear you play. If you have questions, please email me also, or you can make little comments on the Google Classroom on the assignment part where it's, the little comment section under my assignment, and I will try to answer you there. Maybe that'll be easier. Okay, have fun. I can't wait to hear your videos. Pay attention to that checklist. Okay, goodbye, flutophones. Have fun, guys.